Now let's start with batching. First of all, we create some batch recipes, some step recipes. So the easiest step recipe I know is always took the same component, in this case edibles. And as you can see, we start to enter a recipe, you took the position of this component. So edibles are at the second position, and this means B. Chemicals are C, and yeah, metal is A, and the last is D. So we took now just the chemical edibles, which are B. So we enter here B, 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 B. And after we've created this batch, which is a damage reduction batch, we enter here the type. And we have also the bonus, which is Daryl. We enter here Daryl. So, and now we come to the slot. This is slot 1. Just to remind you, if you don't know which slot it is, you could see it here. So we have this is the first slot, the second, and so on. And there you enter this one in slot 1. So we continue and make a second step recipe, and now we have slot 2 and strong. Strong is the bonus 2, and this was a damage reduction, and we have a step recipe like in 1. And after that we also know where we are in the map. So now there should come a hunter, a warrior, or an assault. And the suggestion is to step 3 batches and go to another position on this map. So you didn't have to know any of this map. Just follow this suggestions here, and you could also create now a nice class bonus item, but I will just do my Dread Group 1 or Dread Group 2 badges. So let's continue and create some steps. So next step recipe, we have a warrior. And this was slot 2. And it was damage reduction. So now we should make a type fail. So if you don't know which is a type fail, you make, for example, with low level of components, a damage badge, which I could also remember because you have to take one of all. We have a 20% chance to get damage and 20 chance to jump in this case. So, but you didn't have to know if this works or not. We just add this here. Now we used ABCD, and we got now a damage reduction bar badge with Rick, and this is position 5. Now we should also step the next step, but we could also use here a class bonus item, because this is a shooter, bruiser, or scout badge, which now will come. So we took a normal step recipe and took a, so now we, as you can see, it is a scout, a damage, scout, A, B, 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 damage. It was a scout, and we have position 5. And now we have Dread Group even. So this means for us, we have lucky, marksman, sure shot, follow through, critical aim, strong, and so on, and could now use our golden components. So in thread group 1 we want to create some, let's make a critical damage badge. So we enter AA, BB, and let's create this one, and we got the punish. So that's the wrong thread of thread group 1 for this, or we give this to Procedure, which is in my case with offensive badges, so this is not so bad. And after that, so critical damage, punish. I forget position. I didn't know if this is, but you could also enter another one. If this is red, you maybe didn't enter the right position in this case. So now we have a hero bonus position. So we should also step to the next ones. So we also took the next step recipe and get an alpha badge bonus with position 4. And this was a critical chance. So I also should scrap them. So the next suggestion is to step or to create a class bonus badge with Hunter, Warrior, Assault. But we just step here. We have a Warrior badge. Warrior at position 3. And this is damage. And we used a step recipe. So now we have thread group 1 and we create the next damage good one. So A, B, C, D, and let's have a look. Sure shot damage badge with, I think a nice one with sure shot, maybe for Mercer or something else, where has also sure shot threat. So it's at position 3 and it's a sure shot and damage. So now we're expecting even suggestion type fair. A type fair, we took the really low quality of components to have a high chance of type fair. So A, B, C, D, and we want no damage badge. We get a critical damage badge and have warrior. Here. So at position 4. So type fair was good. So and now we want to create a thread group 1 odd. So we took a recipe for critical damage. So AABB critical damage should now be our target. And this is also a nice one. 20% with and 5% with marksman, which is really nice.